How are you today, Ya Mualim Sardina? I hope that the Shiesha and the Kashiri were better than Loazel and App. Yes, next time, add more refined font charcoal to the Shiesha. We don't have long time and let's start immediately an overview about property, plant, and equipment, PPE. It also called fixed assets. These are tangible property expected to benefit the entity for more than 1 year. For what purpose fixed assets are held, Ya Mualim? They are held for 1. The production or supply of goods or services, 2. Rental to others, or 3. Administrative purposes. How PPE are initially measured in the books of account? Good question, Ya Abdou. PPE are initially measured at a historical cost, which consists of all the cost necessarily incurred to bring the asset to the condition and the location necessary for its intended use. Excuse me, Ya Mualim, and please be patient so that I can understand every single word you are saying. What does the historical cost or the initial cost include? The PPE's historical or initial cost includes 1. The net purchase price. I mean, the gross purchase price minus trade discounts and rebates, plus purchase taxes and import duties. 2. The directly attributable cost of bringing the asset to the location and condition needed for the intended operation, such as architects and engineers' fees, site preparation, delivery and handling, installation, assembly, and testing. 3. The interest, borrowing costs, attributable to the acquisition, construction, or production of PPE. You just said that the site preparation cost is part of the initial cost. Is this also applicable when the PPE is a constructed building, La Mualim? It never crossed my mind that you can ask a question of this complexity. In the case of a constructed building, historical cost does not include site preparation costs, such as cost of clearing, draining, filling, and leveling of land. Instead, such costs are costs of the attached land, not the building to be constructed on the land. Also, you said that interest or borrowing costs attributable to the acquisition, construction or production of PPE are part of the initial cost. Is there any difference between gap and IFRS in this connection? Were you born in England or the USA and we don't know Ya Abdou? How did you know the terms gap and IFRS? No. I was born in a small village called Shabshir El Hessa, nearby Mahalat Row. As to the terms gap and IFRS, I sometimes listen to some technical discussion between you and Sima Fuz. Under IFRS, historical cost includes cost of borrowing directly attributable to acquisition, construction, and production of PPE less any investment income earned on the temporary investment of such borrowing. Because the break time is almost finished, what you are going to talk about the next time, Ya Mualim? Next time, I will talk about the measurement of PPE subsequent to its initial recognition. Thank you, Ya Mualim Sardina, and I will go back to my work.